Hey, I'm James from Smoking Dad BBQ, and today we're making smash burgers on the Kamado Joe. So let's do it. Alright, let's make our smash burgers. In front of us we have medium ground beef, some fresh parsley, about 6 to 7 cloves of garlic. I'll put the exact amount in the description below. Salt, pepper, a scale. We're going to measure out our smash burgers to about a quarter pound each, a mixing bowl, and a plate. So let's make them. Alright, we've mixed up our smash burgers, and as you may have noticed in the video, I don't want to mix that too much. If we mix it too much, the meat will start to get tough, so now we're going to measure out our burgers, and we're looking for about a quarter pound. Alright, so we've made up our 8 smash burgers. I'm going to throw those in the fridge, and we'll get ready to fire up the Kamado Joe. Alright, it's time to fire up the Kamado Joe. I'm going to quickly walk you through the process. First, we're going to shake out any of the leftover ash from our previous cook, collect it in the bottom pan, remove that, install our divide and conquer rack, and today we're going to be using 2 cast iron half moon griddles put together so we have a large grilling surface to smash our burgers. Let's do it! Alright, we're all set. We got our Kamado Joe Classic lit. We've got our 2 half moon grids installed on the upper position of the divide and conquer. We're going to let our grill come up to temperature, and I'm going to be shooting for around 550, 600 degrees and start adjusting my vents to hold that temperature, and we'll be ready to smash our burgers. See you then. Alright, it's go time. Our Kamado Joe is up to 600 degrees. This part's going to go really quickly, so I'm going to move the camera a little bit closer so you can see the process, but since I won't have time to explain it and multitask during the cook, what I'm going to do is put just a dollop of yellow mustard on each of our burgers. We'll put that mustard side down on the hot grill, smash it with a flat surface. If you have a special burger press or just a flat spatula, that'll work as long as it's durable enough to push without bending. And we're only going to give that about 45 seconds per side. Flip it with some more mustard on the top so we get a nice crust, and sear it, add our cheese, and we're done. So this is going to go really quick. Pay attention or you'll miss it. Let's do it. Okay, so we've got our yellow mustard ready to go. Let's smash some burgers. All right, that's it. Just like that, 45 seconds or so per side, and it's over. We're ready to eat. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and I really do hope you give these a try. They're really delicious, full of lots of flavor, and they're not gonna last long inside, so I'm gonna hurry up and go inside. But before I do, not without a shameless plug, please hit that like and subscribe button if you like the video. And I'm starting a fan mail mailbag, so if there's a question or something you wanna see me answer at the end of these videos, let me know in the comments below. Until next time, we'll see ya. Take care.